Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend to perform the soft reset. To perform the soft reset, we need to turn off the speaker firstly. At the top, at the left side, we have power button. We need to press and hold at the power button until you see that the LED light turn off, and you will hear also the prompt. Here we go. I hear the prompt, and now the LED light turn off. After you turn off it, you need to turn on your speaker. So press and hold at the power button again. Here we go. Again, we hear the prompt and the LED light. We see the LED light, and your speaker reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that didn't want to reconnect automatically. So try to go to the settings, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list just tap at your speaker. After that it should reconnect. Then, if the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, again, we need to use Ctrl at the top, but this time you need to press and hold at the volume up button and play pause button at the same time for at least 2 seconds. You will hear the prompt and the LED light turn off. Firstly, it will be prompt, and after that you can release your fingers, or you can keep holding until the LED light turn off. So, here we go, I hear the prompt, so I release my finger, and now the speaker should turn off. Here it is. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone, but first let's turn on it. So press and hold at the power button. Excellent. Then go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click Forget this device button, but you may have Forget button or Forget device button, or maybe Unpair or Remove. So click on it and then Forget device. And you will remove the speaker. Without it, if you try to reconnect the speaker, you tap on it, and on iOS it will ask you to remove the speaker. On Android it will show you connectional problem, so we need to remove it. After you remove the speaker from your phone, if you have Android, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you have Refresh button, like on Realme, tap at this button, or maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And you should see the speaker at the device list. Now we need to tap at your speaker, and we reconnect it. Then, if the factory reset didn't help you, I have one more solution to you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So if it's okay for you, let's do this. And firstly, I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find the similar path to these settings. Okay, so on your iPhone, open Settings, and then we should go to the General settings. So scroll down, click at the General line. Right here at the bottom, we have Transfer Reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click Reset. And in this window, you need to select Reset Network Settings. There is no Reset Bluetooth Settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the Network Settings. That's why we tap at this button. Now, write your password and click Reset Network Settings again. And again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the System. Scroll down, click at the System line, then scroll down again. Right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, we have Reset Options. Enter into Reset Options, and in this window we need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And click Reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!